Welcome to this tutorial on requesting datasets. In this video, you'll learn how to create a new project, search for and select studies, and complete the request process with all required information. We'll also walk through how to certify your data use and add collaborators. After logging in successfully, you'll land on a page where you can request new datasets. Just select the Request New Datasets button. Enter a name for your project and select Continue. To find datasets for your project, enter a study identifier or part of the study name to search. Then, select the correct study from the drop-down list. Once you've selected a study, you'll see a list of all available datasets within it. Choose the datasets you want to add to your project, select the Add Selected Datasets button. If you'd like to add more, select the Add More Datasets button in the confirmation, and repeat the process. Search for another study and select additional datasets. After adding datasets, review your selections carefully to ensure all desired datasets are included before proceeding. Select Continue to move on to the next step in the request process. Next, you'll see a form asking about your intended use of the data. Completing this form is straightforward, and any field marked with a red asterisk is required. Be sure to provide detailed information in the Research Use Statement section. In the Attestation of Compliance section, select the box to agree to the terms and conditions. You'll need to select Yes or No for the institutional IT system, then select one of the standards it will apply to. Make sure to enter a detailed description in the Non-Technical Summary section. Select Yes or No in the use of a third-party IT system and/or cloud service provider. If you selected Yes, complete the additional questions that appear. If needed, consult your IT director for guidance on these questions. If neither option is selected, you won't be able to continue to the next step. Next, you'll be asked to certify your agreement to the data use certificates and data use limitations. Take a moment to review the information, then check the boxes to confirm your agreement with the DOLs. If any of the datasets you've selected require IRB approval or a letter of collaboration, be sure to upload the necessary PDF documents before continue. Next, you'll be asked to identify the organization and key people involved in your project. If prompted, select your organization from the list provided. Then, choose your signing official after selecting your organization. Select your IT director from the list of previously added contacts, or add a new one if needed. You also have the option to add internal collaborators to your project. To do this, select Add New Collaborator. Then, search by name or email address and select the correct person from the results. You can add external collaborators the same way you add internal collaborators. In the final step, a PDF of your request displays. Review all entered information thoroughly, check the required boxes, and confirm everything is correct before submitting your request. You're now ready to request datasets and complete your submission. After submission, you'll see a confirmation page indicating that your request is pending approval by the signing official. Please write to us at info@ncbi.nlm.nih.gov if you have any questions.